spring. It's still winter. There's snow on the ground. It's too cold out here to prune. The vines are frozen.
The way you're dressed, you think it's 20 below, old man.
Well, it may not be 20 below, but it is at least 4 below.
Oh, suck it up and take it like a man. It's time to prune.
I don't want to.
Too bad. Oh, come on. Let's just see if we can get at least one row done today.
It's still too cold. Look, the vines are shivering. They're so cold out here.
Oh, it is not too cold. The old man.
I am not an old man. It's too cold, I tell you. I'll freeze out here.
You are not gonna freeze.
I'll bet you if I touch these wires, I'd freeze to them.
Oh, look. See? Touch it with my hand. They're not sticking.
They'll stick to me. I'll bet you my tongue would stick to them.
You're such a pansy.
Well, I bet my tongue would stick to the wire.
Oh, yeah? Well, I dare you to try it.
I'm not stupid. There's no way I'm going to do that.
Oh, you big pansy. I'm more of a man than you are. I double dare you to try it.
I'm not a wuss. Besides, I think your mother's calling you.
Oh, she is not. I double dog dare you to try it.
I'm not a sissy. I'm not.
Then prove it. I triple dog dare you.
You'll be sorry when my tongue sticks to the wire.
No, I won't. Go on, then do it.
Ah, ah,
Oh, hey, Mom really is calling me. Bye.
Dominique, where's your father?